Want to know how to make AgentGPT build or create an idea for you? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an agent with just a single prompt that will help you build ideas or brainstorm you through different topics. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here under the main interface. So make sure to log in as well. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it. So now once you're here, on the leftmost side you should be seeing templates. You can just simply select that and you can just simply search for anything that just simply boosts or creates an ideas. So if you don't see it, you can just simply head towards home back again and just simply type in a random name for an idea. Now under the goal, you can just simply type in this small and simple prompt. That should be enough. And then select enter once you have typed your prompt, and after a while it should generate you your ideas and brainstorm it for you. So once that is done, you can just simply chat with your agent again and again and do the same process. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.